welcome back. Now there are two communications-oriented applications in your free Microsoft 365 group of applications. One of those applications is Skype. Now Skype is made for you to be able to conduct live meetings using video and/or chat applications. You can set a meeting either by hosting or by joining a specific meeting. And you can schedule that meeting. So for example, if you choose to schedule the meeting for the future, you can schedule it. You can give the meeting a title. You can then set up the meeting. You can also add in people that are part of your contacts. Inside of Microsoft Office, you can initiate any kind of conversation that you want. You will be able to share files. You will be able to send contacts. And you can also record a specific message. You can add individuals to the group, and as long as they have access to Skype, they will be able to participate in a conversation with you inside of a group by video, audio, or chat. And you can track all of those conversations here inside of Skype, which operates in the cloud. If you want to call individuals from a landline or mobile device, you can do so from this area, although it does require a subscription or funds added to your Skype account. So basically, for all of the individuals that already have a Skype account or individuals that are connected to you through Microsoft 365, you will be able to have video, audio, or text conversation with them. And you will see the icon availability in your toolbar inside of Outlook. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.